Hello YouTube, we're back with another rebuild. This one's a little more severe than the past, so we're going to see what we can do. Been told it's a hopeless case, but let's show you and see what you think. This is a 2011 F350 Lariat crew cab dually, 4-wheel drive. There she is. She's got some damage. So let's take a walk around. Cab's toast. Back bed is toast. So we'll kind of go over some things that's wrong. Take the trailer hitch out. That was a pretty severe hit. But I got some good parts here. This bed side's good, but I think I'm just going to replace the whole bed. I got two good doors. Mirror, some accessories. And I got an emblem. It's a 6.7. A lot of major damage up front. As you can see, the whole structure of the frame down through here is pushed back up inside. It actually ripped it off the body mount. But far as I can tell, looks like the frame is good. Look up under the engine. Do this with one hand. As you can see, everything's kind of pushed back into the motor, so we've got to get the front end off. So I've already started. I've got the front grille off, front bumper's over here, mangled. Let's take a look at it. But I'm pretty excited. That was the front bumper. Yeah, had a camper shell on it. I do have a good fender that I can reuse, so I'm going to use it to do some testing, paint. I got an idea I want to use for a little different color that normally came on these vehicles. But hopefully when she's all said and done, it's going to be the replacement for that one sitting back there. That's a 2004. Let's look inside. So we're here, we're inside. But we're looking. This is a good door. Premium sound. Windshield's busted. We can climb up in here. It's got heated and cooled seats. Premium leather. Got an airbag deployed, side curtain, but the goal is to pull the cab off, find a replacement donor cab, and transfer everything over. So we're still in the process of looking for a donor cab. I've sourced a couple. As you can see back there, it's a little dark, but the whole cab is crusted on the back seat. Windows are shot. She took a pretty good hit. For what I can tell, looks like the trailer might have jackknifed into it. Like I said, a lot of work, a lot of disassembly. We'll bring you along for the ride. But this is kind of just an introduction to what I got ahead of me. Like I said, I think it's going to be fun. So guys, leave comments below what color you think I should paint the rebuild. I got a couple ideas in mind. It's going to be pretty cool, pretty custom. And we'll make her a new truck again. If not, better than when factory made her. I've always wanted one of these 6.7s. Our only downfall, it is a 2011. As most of you know out there on the nice internet, that 2011's had its fair share of problems. Come down up under here. Most of this looks straight, good. Like I said, except the cab, but when we take the cab off, all that'll be repaired. New radiators will replace with Mishimoto radiators. Get a nice good cooling system on it. It is 4-wheel drive. One problem is this back axle does not turn. But if we can get you down up underneath here, it actually broke the leaf springs off during the transition, bent the rear shock. So I'm hoping the rear axle is good. If not, we'll pull her apart, rebuild her. And if you got any suggestions what we should call this rebuild, most of my channel stuff's been associated with Biohazard, as my ATV. Come back here in the back bed, it does have the 5th wheel package. There's the actual trailer hitch that was towing at the time. It actually sheared the trailer hitch off of the trailer. There's the shackle for the actual leaf springs. But hey, look at the bright side. We got a spare tire for a trailer. Poor headlight. She's mangled, guys. But you know, we'll put her back together. We'll use some duct tape and super glue and baling wire. And before you know it, she'll be back running, clickety-clacking right around. So guys, stay tuned. Turn on the post notifications, subscribe, and we'll follow this one through to the end and have a nice, awesome running F350 back on the road. Have a good day, guys.